Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 18th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, the US dollar Swiss has pretty much been in the veins all week. It never was able to break and hold above structure. So I personally would still be looking for sorts, and I would have been looking for sorts all week because for me, I only trade with the trend. And this way, here's the last swing high low, and this is the last swing high that was made. So anything that happens when trading these two lines is potentially just a crescent to the downtrend. So I would have been looking for one, two, three waves patterns to go short, one, two, three wave patterns to go short, one, two, three-way patterns to go short. Now, today is a bank holiday for most of the world. It's Good Friday, but it is not a bank holiday for America. So possibly during the New York session today, we could see a little bit more volume in the market than we saw throughout the London session. So possibly we could even get another short. If it does decide to go up and break structure to the upside, then fine. After the break of structure and after the pullback that came after the break of structure, I would definitely start looking for logs. But as of right now, because we are still in a downtrend, even on the 1 hour time frame, I'm looking for nothing but shorts in a downtrend. So I hope everybody enjoys the Easter Sunday, enjoys the Good Friday, spend some time with friends and family. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.